Uniquity Road by Metheny. In the next section, we'll play it through again, but with different visuals. So you'll have the guitar neck diagram, tablature, and standard notation to reference as you listen. You may also use this as a play along. We'll have 2 counts of 3 as we enter it. After that, I'll take you through step by step, the positions, fingerings, and where everything lays out. If you find this video helps you learn the tune, please help support the channel by clicking the like button, subscribing, and check out our YouTube member area. Okay, well, let's get started. So there we had another playthrough with the different visuals. So let's move on to the step-by-step. Okay, so here we're going to start out in position 2. We're going to play like this. I'm going down, down, up, pretty much maintaining alternate picking throughout. Now we move to position 1, kind of compress the fingers here. And then we're going to stay in position 1. Okay, and then we're going to use fingers 2 and 3 to climb up on string 6, open 2, 3. Okay, once there, we'll have our pinky remaining on string 3, and we'll pluck string 6, 4, 3, which we're going to be doing a lot on those string sets throughout here. Okay, now we're going to move up 2 positions to position 3. And then we're going to go up again. Down to A flat 6. Okay, and then we're going to move into this G flat major 7, really has a sharp 11 at this moment. And then moving into G minor. Okay, we're going to pluck string 5 as we move positions up to position 4 and stretch to fret 7 with the 3rd and 4th fingers. Okay, and then we're going to shift down. We're going to go to position 6, stretch fingers 3 and 4 again, for the C sharp minor. Okay, and then the G sharp minor over B. Okay, and then we're going to play these 2 notes. I may be including string 5 on this. Into the A7. And then we can slide in to fret 6. And then back to fret 4. Okay, then we have a couple of pickups into the next sequence here. It's on string 6. Okay, then we set up this G sharp minor. Okay. Moving into this D sharp minor over F sharp. Okay, and then E major 7. So we'll take the second finger away. Okay, and then we're going to play fret 1 on string 3. Okay, and then we have some pickups into the next A section. Okay, so same as before. Okay, really stretching that fret 6, fret 2. Okay, and then we're going to go B over A. Okay, and then we get D sharp over E. Then this walk up into the G minor. We have G minor. Okay, moving up 2 positions. D7 over A. Moving up 1 fret here to the B flat minor. Moving back down to A flat 6. And then going to G flat major 7. And I may be including that low fret 2 on that voicing as well. Okay, then we go to G minor. Okay, we'll play this open string on string 5 as we pivot over or shift over. Okay, F sharp minor over A. Essentially, we move that up a couple frets here. C sharp minor, G sharp minor over B. Okay, and then here we start setting up the B section. So we go into B flat 7 sus. And at this point, Metheny starts to play mainly single notes. Also, the bass moves into more of a traditional bass role. Up to this point, the bass has been playing mostly in unison with the guitar. Okay, so we have these single notes. I'm in position 6 here. Okay, he does some ornamental things, which I'm not going to go over too much here. But you can add some hammers and slides, some grace notes and things. Okay, now we're going over to that B minor. Okay, you could do a little slide into this one. To 9, 8. Okay, G over B. Okay, here, go to fret 7. He does a little, I believe, a hammer on there from fret 5. Okay, A flat minor 9 there. So the melody is the 9. So here we're playing 9. And then we're going to play 3 attacks there on the rest of the A flat minor 7 chord. Okay, and then here we have the kind of a restatement of the melody. Again, you could slide into this. Okay, now we go into a different direction, so you can do 5 to 7 if you like there. And then we're going to play the A major triad, and B is really taken care of by the bass. Just before the solo notes enter, we do hear this to set up the solo section there. Well, there we have it, the step-by-step. Once you get familiar enough, try going back to the play along section. Thanks for watching this video. If you need more help in playing this tune with technique, or if you want to work more on the improvisation aspects of this, check the description down below, where you can find more learning resources, including one-on-one consultations and lessons. Enjoy your practice session, and I will see you all in the next one.